Here we are with going over geometry homework, page 766. We're looking at number 3 and we're looking for volume on this one. Hey, we've got volume of a pyramid. Our formula is 1/3 capital B times H. Capital B is area of the base. Now, what kind of base do we have on this one? It's a square. So we got 5, 5, 5, and 5. So, hey, how do we find the area of a square? Yeah, it's just the length squared. So it's going to be 1/3. Then it's going to be 5 squared. And then times the height right down the middle, 6. There it is. Let's do that. 1/3, 5 squared times 6. Okay, we got parenthesis 1/3, good, times 5 squared times 6 right down the middle. That's a height right down the middle. Boom, 50 on the nose. Okay, volume. What's our units on this one? Let's give it centimeters cubed because it is volume. Okay, how about our next one here? Yeah, number 4, it's a cone. So we've got our formula, volume of a cone is 1/3 base area times the height. They gave us the radius. They gave us the height right down in the middle. Let's do it. Here we go. 1/3 base area. The area is a circle, so it's pi r squared. So pi 10 squared. And then times the height right down the middle, 13. There it is. 1/3 pi r squared times the height right down the middle. Okay, let's do that. We've got 1/3. Then we've got pi times 10 squared times the height right down the middle. We'll check the numbers once again. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, there we go. Looks good. 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. There it is. 1361 and a little extra. 1361 and a little extra. Volume, our units, it's going to be millimeters cubed. There it is. Okay, how about our next one? Number 8. Now, it's a hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid. We have the height right down the middle. That's 17. Now, what we need is the base area. Let's first of all put our formula. Volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base area times the height. Now, the base area. I'm not going to use this hexagon. There's too much lines through it. I drew one right below it here. There it is. Every side is 12. On this one, every side is 12. We need to find the area. How am I going to do it? There it is. Area of a regular polygon. 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Let's do the perimeter first. 6 sides, each one is 12. 6, that's 72. There's our perimeter. Now, what else do we need? We need the apothem. Okay, let's draw it in. Okay, here it comes. From the center of the shape to the center of the side. There is our apothem. Hey, it splits the side in half. 6 and 6. How do we figure that out? Well, what we've been doing the last couple times is I've been drawing in the central angles. Let's do it again. There we go. Nice, nice. There it is. Okay, central angles. Let's figure it out. Hey, we got a circle in the center. That's 360. Break it up into 6 equal parts. Each one is 60. There it is. 60, 60, 60, 60. There it is. Yeah, once again, look at that apothem. Look at what that apothem is doing to the 60-degree central angle. It's cutting it in half. We're talking right here. We're talking 30 and 30. Once again, I like to look at this little triangle right there. It's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, there's the 60 down in the corner. Now, you could do trig if you want. If you want, put your eye right there. Hey, tangent of 30 equals 6 over A. That's great. I'm going to do 30, 60, 90 triangle. I got the short leg 6. Take the short leg, multiply it by root 3, and I get the long leg. 6 root 3. Here it is. Apothem. Let's go apothem in green. 6 root 3. Okay, 6 root 3. Nice. 1039 is what we're going to put down. 1039. Okay, let's start plugging them in right here. 1/2, the apothem, 1039. The perimeter, there it is, 72. Let's do it. 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Okay. 1/2, the apothem, 1039. The perimeter was 72. Okay, great. There it is, 374.04. 374.04. That is the area of the base. That's capital B. Let's go up top and use it now. 374.04. Okay, here we go. 1/3. 374.04 times the height right down the middle. The height right down the middle is 17. There it is. Let's get our volume. 1/3, 374.04 times 17. Parentheses, 1 divided by 3, good, times 374.04 times the height right down the middle. 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. There's our volume, 2119. 2119, little extra. How about our units? Yeah, it's going to be feet cubed on that one. There it is. That was problem 8. Okay, on 9. They did this wrong. Okay, they want us to find the error. Somebody did this wrong. They want us to find the error. They want us to find the volume of the cone. What did they do wrong? Yeah, they didn't use the height right down the middle. That's what they need. They need the height right down. They use the 15. No, we want the height right down the middle. Well, how do we get that? How can we figure out the height right down the middle? I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem. Okay, here it is. H squared plus 9 squared equals 15 squared. H squared plus 81 equals 225. Minus 81, minus 81. H squared equals, okay, 225. Here we go, 225 minus 81. Nice, 144. It's going to come out nice. 144 root, nice. The height that we need is 12. Now let's do it. Volume of a cone. 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. Here we go. 1/3. Yep, base area is pi r squared because it's a circle. So pi 9 squared. The height right down the middle is 12. There you go. Let's do it. Okay. Parenthesis 1 divided by 3. Good. Times a pi times the radius squared times the height right down the middle. That's it. 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. Wow. 1017 and a little extra. 1017, a little extra. Our volume, our units, yeah, it's going to be feet cubed. Okay, here we go. Let's go to problem 10. Again, they made a mistake. They want us to find their mistake. What did they do wrong? This is the volume of a pyramid. What did they do wrong? Yeah, they didn't use the right formula, that's for sure. They did not look at their formula sheet. Volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base area times height. They didn't use 1/3, they used something else. Here we go. 1/3 base area. Yeah, it's 7 times 7, so that's 49. That's good. The height is right down the middle. That's 10. Okay, now let's do it. 1/3, 49 times 10. Here it is. 1/3 good times 49 times 10. There it is. 1/3 base area times the height right down the middle. 163. 163, huh? What kind of no? There we go. 163, 33 are units. Let's go feet cubed. Great. Now, That's the end of part 1. Make sure you tune in to part 2 of going over homework, page 766.